In this video, I'll show you how to download an Instagram video reel right from your phone. This works perfectly on iOS devices like iPhones and iPads, on Android devices, and even on your PC or Mac. If you're new here and you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more simple and useful tutorials like this in the future. First, we need to get the link of the video we want to download, whether we are in the Instagram Reels section or scrolling through the main feed. To copy the link of an Instagram Reel from the Reels tab, we need to tap this paper airplane icon on the right side of the screen. Let's tap it. Instagram will show us more options, and right next to the Add to Story button, we have the Copy Link button. Tap it, and we now have the video link, so now we can move on to the next step and exit Instagram. Open your browser and type saveclip.app in the address bar. Once the page loads, simply paste the link you copied from Instagram into this bar. And then tap the download button. The page will begin loading. Give it a moment to process the video. An ad may appear. If so, simply tap close. The site will give us two options: download the video thumbnail and the one we are interested in now, download video. Tap that option. A message will appear to confirm the download. Tap download and the Instagram reel will be saved. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see more Instagram tutorials on your phone, tap the playlist on the screen right now to learn all the best Instagram tips and tricks.